How to become a crypto investor in 2024 and 3 things you need to know. Part 1. Just like any market, the crypto market is driven by players of the game. For many, the assumption is that major investors of the space are retailers. However, I recently quickly discovered that institutional investors heavily dominate crypto, particularly Bitcoin. These are companies accumulating and holding BTC instead of cold hard cash. Well, not all, but some, due to regulations. So we live in a time where the naysayers are now becoming the adopters and believers of the crypto space. Hi there guys, my name is Olive Kirote and this is Olive Kirote Rebranded. Welcome to ONR. In today's video, I want to share with you things you might not know about the crypto space, especially during this crypto cycle, and how having this information will actually help you become a pro crypto investor and expert in 2024. Before I go any further, Binance have gladly sponsored this video, being the #1 largest cryptocurrency platform where you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency. Start your crypto investing journey today with Binance. The first thing you need to know is the importance of doing a technical analysis overview. Crypto follows a 4-year cycle believed to be driven by Bitcoin halving. The last Bitcoin halving happened in 2020. In 2021, we entered a bull market and BTC went up 7x, Ethereum went 20x, and Cardano went 100x. Is this article by CoinMarketCap called Bitcoin Halving History, a look back in time.
Bitcoin halving is every 4 years, the Bitcoin mining network has been designed to slash rewards. Therefore, this generates demand for Bitcoin every 4 years, generating FOMO since 2012. The first Bitcoin halving being November 28, 2012. Can you imagine, guys, that Bitcoin 11 years ago, Bitcoin was $12. If you had invested $100 in 2012, in a span of 10 years, your investment would have been $1.6 million. Wow. This time, if you had invested on the Bitcoin halving date, you'd have spent $12, and the Bitcoin high price was about 1,000, and that was about 89x. Next, Bitcoin halving, July 9th, 2016, it was $640. If you invested during the Bitcoin halving day, all-time high followed suit, you would have gained 20,000. That was 30x. May 11th, 2020, Bitcoin halving day price was $8,605, and all-time high was about 64 or 68,000. That was about 7.5x. How will 2024 look like? I don't know, guys. And that's why for now we are saying for 2024, Bitcoin halving will happen on 18th April 2024. Curious to see how Bitcoin's price will behave soon after.
Understanding your technical analysis overview will help you become a pro crypto investor. The second thing you need to know is the importance of understanding the market players and behaviors. If you understand the market players and behaviors of the crypto space, you shall become a pro crypto investor. So, did you know that the current bear market has been abnormally long? Yes, it has. There are some cycles in the past that have been long and some that have been short within the same 4-year bracket. For this particular period, it's because the bigger players are now influencing the price of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Investors are now involved in crypto, and this is making the price action of crypto mirror assets like tech stocks. The power of institutions investing in the crypto market, such as Bitcoin, can, however, have geopolitical implications, hence why our bear market is abnormally long. What does geopolitical mean? This means implications based on geography, power, and politics. These 3 factors will now intersect with Bitcoin's performance. It is important to know that publicly traded companies are now holding BTC on their balance sheets in 2024. MicroStrategy, an American software technology firm in the US, as at 9th January 2024, owns 189,150 BTC. That is approximately $8.832 billion. guys. You see why I'm saying that the market has become institutionalized? That is about 8.8 billion. They have earned a profit of about $840 million, making them the world's largest corporate Bitcoin treasury. Article even stated that the CEO of the company, Michael Saylor, himself is also enjoying a successful investment. His company owns about 189,000 and he is also accumulating and has 17,000. Knowing this and understanding the market players and behaviors can give you insights of why the market is behaving the way it is, and this can help you plan and research and predict possible patterns and behaviors in the space. Knowing the market players and the behaviors can heavily influence the performance of your investment. Third thing you need to know to be a pro crypto investor: understand the role of Bitcoin in the market cycle. BTC plays two roles for investors. Now, investors are not just retailers only. Retailers are basically you and I. We also now have institutions playing the game. Bitcoin is seen as either a speculative asset, safe true haven asset, hence why MicroStrategy has accumulated and held that much BTC. We have mentioned that one of the main bullish reasons for money to even move into BTC is Bitcoin halving. Why? Because the investor interest increases because of the law of supply and demand. Another reason that would bring the surge and the occurrence of the BTC crypto space is spot ETF applications being approved. An ETF is an exchange traded fund. It is a type of investment fund that is traded on stock exchanges. What an ETF basically does, it allows investors to invest in a basket of assets without them having to directly invest in one of the assets. What is a Bitcoin spot ETF? It is now an investment fund that holds Bitcoin related assets. This could be the actual Bitcoins or a Bitcoin stock. Any pool of investments that are linked to Bitcoin in particular will be traded in this Bitcoin spot ETF. What an ETF does, it allows you to invest in Bitcoin without having to buy it directly. You're able to buy Bitcoin and other related Bitcoin assets in this investment fund. The investment fund's value goes up or goes down. The ETF allows investors to gain exposure to multiple assets apart from just holding or buy BTC. How many Bitcoin spot ETFs did they approve? 11, guys, a whole 11 spot ETFs. Here is a list of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs approved by the SEC. ARK 21 shares, Bitwise Bitcoin, BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, Franklin Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity Wise, Grayscale, Hashdex, Investco, Vanik, Valkyrie, Wisdom Tree Bitcoin Fund. How does this affect and influence the Bitcoin space? The approval has the potential to simplify and secure Bitcoin investments for a broader investor base, which may reshape the dynamics of cryptocurrency investments. Basically, now Bitcoin is not sidelined from other traded investment funds, and this is a win in the space because a lot of investors will be exposed to Bitcoin related assets. Why was this a historical decision for the crypto community? Now, one of the primary advantages of ETFs is that they will provide millions of Americans easier access to crypto assets. Why Americans? Because the SEC approved 11 ETFs and most of these ETFs are based in the American market. Therefore, there shall be more crypto adoption in the coming years. The approval of the BTC spot ETFs could potentially increase Bitcoin's price, Bitcoin's accessibility, Bitcoin's demand, and even Bitcoin's liquidity. And guys, this is why understanding these three things will make you a crypto pro. Being a crypto pro in the space is not just buying your cryptos and accumulating. It is also understanding what is happening in the space, basically how your investments can be affected. The more information you have, the more empowered you are, and the better investor you become in this space. Stay tuned for part 2. For more tips, I will be sharing with you another set of crypto tips that can set you ahead to be better crypto pro investors and experts. If you want to get more information about crypto, how to invest, and how to do so, use Binance. I want you to first subscribe to this channel. I also hope that you liked this video and you smashed the like button for all the tips that I have shared with you to know how to buy your crypto and get started on the Binance platform. Also, to be a better investor in this space, I want you to watch this video right here and get started today. Thank you so much, Binance, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.